I have never crocheted a scrunchie before. This is my first one, and I would like to share with you the way I made it. So, hello to all crochet lovers, welcome to my channel. My name is Victoria, and let's crochet such scrunchie together. For my project, I'm gonna use two tiny balls of yarn, the same kind, 4mm hook, 2mm hook, scissors, and a hair tie. Insert the hook into the hair tie, hook the yarn, turn the hook counterclockwise or clockwise, the way you're more comfortable, is a slip knot, make a chain, tighten the thread, chain 2, 1, 2 is the first stitch of the first round. Hide the thread crocheting it inside the round and crochet a single stitch. The first round consists of single stitches only. The amount of the stitches to crochet will depend upon the size of your hair tie, but behind the stitches the hair tie shouldn't be seen. Stretch the hair tie and move the loops closer to each other so that there is no gap between them and the hair tie isn't seen. Make a slip stitch to the second chain to join the first round. Chain 3 to start the second round. It counts like the first double crochet stitch. Then double crochet stitch to the next chain you can see. It should look like these double crochet stitches are coming from the same point. To the next chain, 2 double crochet stitches, one to the same place, the second one, two to the next chain, the same 2 double crochet stitches, one, two, the next, again 2 double crochet stitches, one, two, and repeat the pattern till the end of the round. The second round is ready. Let's join it into a circle. Insert the hook to the third chain and make a slip stitch. But I always insert the hook like in the middle between 2 loops, catching the upper part of the third chain and the lower part of the fourth chain. It helps to reduce tension and stretching of the loop. The third round has the same pattern like the second one. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, it counts like the first double crochet stitch, then to the next chain crochet double crochet stitch, the next chain 2 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, the next chain, 2 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, and repeat the pattern till the end of the round. Let's join the third round, but if you want your head tie to be fluffier and bigger, repeat the pattern of the second round once more. Make a slip stitch to the third chain, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, it counts like the first double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, skip one chain of the previous round and make double crochet stitch to the next chain of the previous round. Double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, skip one chain of the previous round and crochet double crochet stitch to the next chain. Double crochet, 2 chains, 1, 2, skip one chain, double crochet to the next chain, double crochet, 2 chains, again skip one, double crochet to the next, and repeat the pattern till the end of the round. The last 2 chains of the fourth round, 1, 2, make a slip stitch to the third chain, to start the fifth round, make a slip stitch under 2 chains of the previous round, chain 2, 1, 2, it counts like the first stitch, to the same place double crochet stitch, the same place half double crochet stitch, a slip stitch to the top of the double crochet stitch of the previous round, and the next 2 chains, half double crochet stitch, double crochet, half double crochet stitch, a slip stitch to the top of the double crochet stitch of the previous round, under the next 2 chains half double crochet stitch, double crochet, half double crochet, a slip stitch to the top, and repeat the pattern till the end of the round. Join the fifth round with a slip stitch to the top of the double crochet stitch of the previous round. Cut the thread and make a knot. Turn the work to the wrong side and hide the thread. My next ball of the yarn had 4 threads, but I saw that it wouldn't be enough, so I took out just 1 thread of 4 and I will use it for the next round. The next round you can start in any place you like. Join the yarn the same way like we did at the beginning of crocheting. Chain 1. Hide the beginning of the thread crocheting it inside the round and make a single crochet to each chain of the previous round. Is the second if to count the chain. This is the third. The fourth. And the fifth single crochet, I'm going to crochet to the top of the double crochet of the 4th round. Don't make too much tension. To the next chain, single crochet, the second, single crochet, the third, single crochet, the fourth, and now 1 single crochet to the top of the double crochet of the 4th round. Again, 4 single crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th one to the top of the double crochet of the 4th round. And repeat the pattern till the end of the round. Let's join the 6th round. Insert the hook in the first chain. Now take the loop and pull it through the first chain. Cut the thread, make a knot, turn the work to the wrong side, hide the thread inside the round.